Welcome to the unboxing of the Blaupunkt GTx 1662 C20 and GTx 1662 C25. The GTx 1662 C20 is a set of 6.5 inches component speakers with a polypropylene cone composition for optimal performance. These speakers boast an impressive maximum power handling capability of 80 watts, delivering a rich and powerful audio experience. It includes a pair of tweeters, each with a size of 20.4 mm. With a slim mounting depth of just 59 mm, they seamlessly integrate into various audio setups. On the other hand, the GTx 1662 C25, also a 6.5 inches component speaker, features a fiberglass cone composition. It stands out with a higher maximum power handling capacity of 120 watts, providing superior audio performance. The tweeter size is 25.4 mm, and it maintains a slim mounting depth of 60 mm. Both speaker models come equipped with a pair of crossovers for directing specific frequency ranges to different speaker components. Screws, brackets, and bracket holders for the tweeter are provided for easy and secure installation. The user manual is also included in the package. Experience the remarkable audio output of our GTx 1662 series component speakers.
Fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos.